Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So right now I am in Ho Chi Minh City. So I'm here on business for a couple of days and I will tell you some mistakes that I made. It's at the end of April and I didn't check the events and everything. Actually, it's the big 50th anniversary in Ho Chi Minh City. So there's parade, there's a lot of rehearsal. A lot of hotels in District 1 have restrictive access for different date or the hours and everything. So anyway, I'm going to tell you more, but I booked this JW Marriott hotel, which used to be IHG hotel. So when I was here in August, some of my business partner was telling me the IHG is going to be a JW Marriott, and I was joking and saying, oh, so next time I will stay here, so it's closer to your office. So that's why I booked it this time. And I book on the Marriott Bonvoy app for the 1-bedroom suite, but then I check in at the hotel side and find out it's actually an apartment. So actually they walk me to the apartment side, which is okay, but it's a little bit different from what I expect. I think the 1-bedroom suite is at the hotel tower, but it is actually apartment. But anyway, I'm going to give you a very quick room tour so you know what the 1-bedroom apartment is like. So it's very spacious in size, no doubt about it. So I'm in room 1707. Pretty much high floor, which is nice. So when I walk in, on my left is the kitchenette. Okay, so I'm here for 2 nights for a business meeting. So I don't think I'm going to use the microwave, but here you go. And then also they have water, they have the coffee machine, the Nespresso coffee machine, 6 capsules, kettles, cups, glasses, and all the dishes, and the kitchen sink and everything, and also a stove. Yeah, they got a stove as well, and also a full fridge. Okay, I expect there's nothing in there. Oh, actually they are stocked up. So it is not a mini bar, but this is a real fridge. But they charge for the refreshment item, so that is the price list. And I assume that coffee or tea will be complimentary, but all others are chargeable. Okay, so because it's a service apartment, I opened this door. It's actually a cleaning machine. So if you really stay here for like a week or so, you'll be very handy with the washing machine as well as the iron and iron board and such. Okay, so moving right along, this is the dining room area. Okay, so good for 6 people, and then this is the living room area. So they do have good audio visuals. They're using the Samsung product, the sound bar and stuff, the television. Okay, and then it's pretty simple and basic but clean. I guess it's similar to what it was at Intercontinental before, because they converted it pretty quickly to be JW Marriott. And then here you see there's a balcony. The door can open, so I just open it. So this is the view of my room. Okay, I'm going to close it right back so that the conditioning will be working better. Okay, so now let me walk into the room. I mean my bedroom. Okay, so it's a very good king-size bed, thick mattress, linen, and there's a work desk here. They assure me the room is actually nicer if not the same as the one on the hotel side, because I showed some worries and concerns when they said that I am on the apartment side. So this is the window and the view of the bedroom. Okay, so this is the closet. You know, they hide a TV, a small TV here. And then this is the closet with bathrobes, with slippers that I can put my luggage here. And then some storage space on this side as well. It's a little bit complicated. Okay, the safe deposit box is here. Okay, let me close it off. Okay, and here you go. This is my bathroom. So they have a nice bathtub. Single sink. This is the amenity kit. Huge rain shower. As well as the JW Marriott brand amenities. Okay, the towel is okay, it's nice too. Okay, and the toilet is here. Yep. Okay, so here you go. I'm going to be here for 2 nights before I head to another area, another hotel, which is closer to my business meeting. Actually, my meetings tomorrow and today are pretty much based here, so that's why I'm here. Oh, before I forgot, you know, that's the mistake that I mentioned earlier on. I didn't check, I just based it on my business schedule. So I didn't know they have a lot of things happening for the 50th anniversary of Ho Chi Minh City, and a lot of the roads will be closed and everything. So that's the reason why I have to move out after 2 nights and stay in our hotel, because I will be taking a flight out to Nha Trang to continue on my business trip, and if I stay here they would not allow me to check out until noon, which I will miss the flight, so I can only stay here for 2 nights because of that. So mistake learned. And also this is a quick review of Bonvoy Platinum Elite benefit. I will have breakfast included, I will have afternoon tea and evening cocktail. And the exclusive benefit, I'm going to go over and chat with them, because 2-hour usage of the boardroom for up to 8 people. I'm going to chat with them if they have availability for today and tomorrow, so I can invite my guests over to the boardroom for meeting. We'll check it out and see how it goes. I will go to the club launch and show you. And they have swimming pool on this apartment side as well, on the 3rd floor, which I will check it out for you as well. Plus the breakfast tomorrow morning at Executive Lounge or Market 39, which is on the hotel side. Okay, so here we go. Just continue to follow me. I will give you all the details you need to know if you plan to stay at the JW Marriott in Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, so I'm just checking out the swimming pool and the pool bar on the hotel side. Okay, so now I'm checking out the pool on the apartment side. Actually, it's not the same layout, but obviously it's more quiet and quite nice here too. So coming back after the happy hour and evening order at the club lounge, I got the welcome fruit and a handwritten note from the hotel. So that's very nice. Thank you.